This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yellowtail fish. Look for yellowtail with bright, clear eyes and firm, glistening flesh for the best quality. Once you have your fish, give it a quick rinse under cold water, then pat it thoroughly dry using paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a beautiful sear later on. Carefully check for any stray scales or small pin bones, removing them with a sharp knife or tweezers. Preparing your fish properly ensures a delicious cooking experience. Enhancing your yellowtail's flavor is wonderfully simple. A sprinkle of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder is often all you need to bring out its natural taste. For a vibrant, zesty twist, try a quick marinade made with fresh lemon or lime juice and a dash of olive oil. Just remember, marinate your yellowtail for no more than 20 minutes. Prolonged exposure to acids can actually toughen the delicate flesh. This subtle preparation makes a big difference. Pan-searing is a fantastic method for achieving a wonderfully crisp exterior on your yellowtail. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil, in a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over a medium-high flame. Once the oil shimmers, place the fish skin side down and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until it forms a beautiful golden crust. Then, gently flip it over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 1. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil until it just begins to smoke. First, sauté the chopped garlic and chilies for about 30 seconds until they release their fragrant aroma. Then, add your protein and stir-fry until it is nearly cooked through, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, introduce your vegetables and the soaked noodles into the hot pan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.